Hello and welcome back to my channel Tech Headlines. Topic for the day is Interview Question and Answers for Azure. Interview questions for Azure often cover a range of topics, including cloud computing, Azure services, and your ability to work with Azure infrastructure. Here are some common Azure interview questions and sample answers to help you prepare. 1. Can you explain what Azure is and its key features? Answer. Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform, offering a wide range of cloud services, including computing, storage, databases, networking, analytics, and more. Key features include scalability, security, hybrid capabilities, and a global network of data centers. 2. What is the Azure Resource Group, and why is it important? Answer. An Azure Resource Group is a logical container for managing and organizing Azure resources. It helps manage, monitor, and control access to resources efficiently. It's important for streamlining resource management, security, and billing. 3. Explain the differences between Azure IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Answer. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, provides virtualized computing resources. PaaS, Platform as a Service, offers a platform for developing and deploying applications. And SaaS, Software as a Service, provides software applications over the Internet. Each offers a different level of control and responsibility. 4. What is Azure Virtual Network, and why is it used? Answer. Azure Virtual Network is a network-based service that allows you to create private, isolated, and secure communication between Azure resources. It is used to connect VMs, establish secure connections, and control network traffic. 5. Can you explain the Azure Service Level Agreements, SLAs? Answer. Azure SLAs are agreements that define the guaranteed uptime and performance levels for Azure services. They vary by service, but typically Azure offers a 99.9% uptime for virtual machines and higher SLAs for premium services. 6. What is Azure App Service, and how can it be used? Answer. Azure App Service is a PaaS offering that allows developers to build, host, and scale web applications and APIs. It supports multiple programming languages, continuous integration, and easy deployment. 7. How do you secure data in Azure? Answer. Data security in Azure can be achieved through encryption, at rest and in transit, Azure Active Directory for identity and access management, network security groups, and Azure Key Vault for secure key management. 8. Explain the Azure DevOps and its components. Answer. Azure DevOps is a set of development tools that includes Azure repos, source control, Azure boards, work tracking, Azure pipelines, CI/CD, Azure test plans, testing, and Azure artifacts, package management. 9. What is Azure Functions, and how can it be used? Answer. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that allows you to run code in response to events without having to manage infrastructure. It can be used for tasks like data processing, automation, and building serverless APIs. 10. How can you optimize costs in Azure? Answer. Cost optimization in Azure can be achieved through right-sizing resources, using Azure Cost Management and Billing, leveraging reserved instances, and implementing scaling policies based on demand. 11. Explain the differences between Azure Active Directory and on-premises Active Directory. Answer. Azure AD is a cloud-based identity and access management service, while on-premises AD is installed on local servers. Azure AD manages access to cloud resources, while on-premises AD manages on-premises resources. 12. What is Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, and why would you use it? Answer. AKS is a managed Kubernetes container orchestration service in Azure. It is used for deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications. It simplifies the management of container clusters. Remember to prepare thoroughly for your Azure interview by understanding key Azure services, concepts, and best practices. These sample answers can serve as a starting point, but it's important to tailor your responses based on your experience and the specific job requirements. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.